सभी को इन्हीं का प्यार भरा नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, मोहब्बत से भरी सलाम कबूल हो। दोस्तों, एक बार फिर हम चले आए आपके घर पे। हमारी स्टूडियो में आई हुई है एक बड़ी प्यारी सी प्रमिला जी की सहेली, और इनकी यात्रा हम आप तक पहुंचाना चाहते हैं। इनकी ज़िंदगी में क्या हुआ है ये खुद आप इनकी मुखार से सुने। तो आई लाइक टू प्रेजेंट टू यू ऑल Shalma Rain. How are you today?
Hello, Andy. Wonderful, thank you. And you?
I'm good.
And Pramila?
Pramila, how are you,
Thank
Pramila? So, welcome both to Jeevan Yatra and life's journey. So, I want to know who Shalma is. Who are you?
Who am I? An evolving question.
Yes.
I would say the summation would be an offering of love and compassion. A lifetime. I'm 66 now.
Oh, wow.
Has brought me to that conclusion, and I do feel in service. I believe we're all in service to each other. My mother was taken from our home sick with tuberculosis when I was 5 years old, and she didn't come back until I was 8. And they basically took 1.5 of her lungs away and left her to die in a sanatorium. I saw her for just a few moments each year at Christmas, and I was very small. She did come home, but she came home because she had discovered mind over matter through a religion called Christian Science. And she taught this to me. And when I was 9, I remember my beautiful young hands were covered in warts. And she asked me if I wanted to pray and remove the warts. And what did I know? I said, yes, of course. So we closed our eyes, and I saw my warts gone. And I don't know how long, maybe half an hour, but when I opened my eyes, my warts were gone, Annie. And what did I know? I was 9. I thought this was normal. Yes.
You know, and जैसे बोलते हैं ज़िंदगी में इंसान ही के रूप में भगवान आते हैं. In face of human packaging, there's divine God. Okay,
Yes.
so if we truly focus on that and take it to that level, जैसे आप बोले विश्वास हो,
जी, जी,
विश्वास
जी,
से size of a smallest mustard seed, that's all you need.
When I was about 20 years ago, when I was 45, I had the opportunity to go and spend almost a year in Nepal and Tibet and India and Sri Lanka. My mother was born in Sri Lanka. Yes.
Wow, thank you.
But when I was in Tibet, I had an opportunity to go high into the mountains and meet a woman who lived in a hermitage, who was the consort of Guru Rinpoche, the emanation of the consort. And she's written up in the guidebook. She's very famous. I didn't know anything about this. I just ended up at this nunnery high in the mountains. And she asked if I would have an audience and spend the day with her.
Wow.
Me? So I had this day with her, and she actually took a clip of my hair and gave me the Buddhist teachings and the rites to become Buddhist. Now, I'm not necessarily a Buddhist, but I think if I am anything, it would be Buddhism. But what I realized during that journey was that we have the best and the fastest action for all of us is the middle road.
Thank you.
It's the middle road. It's not in the extremes. So when we have experiences that are extreme ecstasy or very, very devastating trauma,
Thank you.
this is not where it is. And if
Thank
you
you.
get taken by that, it will take you a long
Thank
time
you.
to come back here.
Wow.
If you witness it and you stay in the middle place, you can sustain anything. I've had some wonderful experiences that have
Wow.
shown me this. So
इसी कहानी के साथ ये जीवन यात्रा, जिंदगी की कहानी, योर जर्नी, माय जर्नी, यहाँ पे हम समाप्त करते हैं. आपको थैंक यू करना चाहते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग टू आवर
Thank you,
स्टूडियो.
Annie.
थैंक यू
Thank you,
प्रमिला जी.
Pramila.
सभी को
Thank you.
जीवन यात्रा में आने के लिए, बैठने के लिए, सुनने के लिए नमस्ते.
Namaste.
namaste.